Today's medical-centric topic is 7 essential oils for infertility. Essential oils have been used in alternative medicine for centuries, offering benefits that may support fertility indirectly. While not a cure for infertility, they can help reduce stress, balance hormones, and promote overall reproductive health. 1. Clary Sage supports hormonal balance. Clary Sage helps regulate estrogen levels, essential for reproductive health. Reduces stress. Its calming properties promote relaxation, reducing stress-related fertility challenges. How to use. Diffuse a few drops or mix with a carrier oil for abdominal massage. 2. Geranium oil. Balances hormones. Known for improving adrenal gland function, which can regulate hormonal cycles. Supports uterine health. Believed to tone and strengthen the uterus. How to use. Apply diluted oil to the abdomen or add a few drops to a warm bath. 3. Lavender oil. Relieves stress and anxiety. Lavender's soothing scent reduces stress, a common factor impacting fertility. Improves sleep. Better sleep supports hormonal regulation. How to use. Diffuse before bed or apply a drop to your pillow. 4. Lang Lang. Enhances libido. Known for its ability to boost sexual desire and intimacy. Eases tension. Its calming properties help reduce emotional stress. How to use. Use in a diffuser or mix with a carrier oil for a relaxing massage. 5. Frankincense oil. Promotes uterine health. Supports the health of the uterine lining and reproductive organs. Reduces inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory properties may benefit underlying fertility issues. How to use. Apply diluted oil to the lower abdomen or use in a bath. 6. Peppermint oil. Boosts energy levels. Helps combat fatigue, which can impact overall health. Aids digestion. Supports nutrient absorption crucial for hormonal regulation. How to use. Diffuse or inhale directly for an energy boost. 7. Fennel oil. Regulates menstrual cycles. Fennel oil is believed to support hormonal balance and regular ovulation. Improves digestion. A healthy digestive system is essential for overall well-being. How to use. Apply diluted oil to the abdomen or use in a massage blend. Safety tips. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil before skin application. Avoid using certain oils during pregnancy and perform a patch test to check for sensitivity. Consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.